Let's read the story Strictly No Elephants, written by Lisa. Let's open the story and see what it's all about. Here is an elephant with a red scarf. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. No one else has an elephant. In this picture, there's a bird, there's a cat, there's a goldfish, dogs, and here's the elephant. Every day I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do, lift each other over the cracks. Today I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day and everyone will be there. Look, they have matching scarves. Here they go, all the pets are going, the dogs and the cat. Come along, there's a good boy. I coax him the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. Look at their faces. Strictly no elephants, with an elephant crossed out. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk, never minding the cracks. That's what friends do, brave the scary things for you. Look at their faces and their expressions. They both look pretty sad. And all the painting is blue and gray. Look at this little girl over here. She has an unusual pet too. Let's see what she has. Look at this window too. There's another pet up there. I wonder what he has. Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asks. Yes, I say, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks. The girl says, but they don't want us to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell her. So her pet is a skunk. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Look, a penguin, a giraffe. Maybe they will go to the club. Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do, never leave anyone behind. Look at all the people and animals. A narwhal, an armadillo, a bat. Look, here's the animal from the window. We can play here, one of our new friends say. All of us? So we paint our own sign. Strictly no strangers, no spoil sports, but they cross it out and they put all are welcome. My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them, so everybody can come and play. And look, the dogs are coming. Because that's what friends do. They invite everybody in to play. The end. We are finished.